All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're gonna have to change your life. Otherwise, you're gonna end up spending the rest of your life in prison. Do you understand?
I know.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 006203 and 2025 CR 006204. State versus Roland Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Robert Mauer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Roland Hernandez? Counsel, in each cause number, have you received all discovery and reviewed all discovery with your client?
I have, Judge.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
I do, Judge.
State, in cause number ending in 04, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, for the record, Megan Galloway for the state. On the cause number ending in 04, we are waiving the punishment enhancements, Your Honor.
That's understanding, Judge.
All right, off the record for a moment. All right, and then in cause number ending, so for the record, the court will note that the state is waiving any enhancements.
I apologize. This case was re-indicted, so I'm not sure if the court has the new.
No, I do not. Thank you. Thank you. So any objections to the waiver in that case?
No, Judge.
And then in the cause number ending in 03, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we are waiving count 1 and pursuing on count 2, and then waiving the punishment enhancements, Your Honor.
No objection, Judge. That's our understanding.
All right. And state, you can have that one back.
Was that the second one?
Oh, this one's correct, yes, that I have. All right, in each cause number, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sure.
And the cause number ending in 04, you're charged with unlawful firearm possession by a felon. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And cause number 03, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea and these cause numbers will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, do you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each one of these cases?
Okay.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Hernandez, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and not allowed re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sure.
According to the plea, the cases are to run concurrently. Punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 005662. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then in each cause, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, in each cause number, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. The state offers states of one and attachments and.
No objections.
All right, state you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked the court to follow the plea bargain.
In each cause number, the court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. The cases will run concurrently. The court will take in consideration 2025 CR 005662, and there's to be no residing with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargaining agreements, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're gonna have to change your life. Otherwise, you're gonna end up spending the rest of your life in prison. Do you understand?
I know.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. Just 1 second. All right, Veronica Callahan. All right. Today's plea deadline date. Are you all going to be requesting a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date before the new year. It should be 2 days, including jury selection. All right, your jury trial date is going to be December 9th. Norma, if you'll make sure she has a reset form. All right, we're on the record in 2025 CR 008561, State versus Veronica Callahan. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Allen for the state.
Matthew Allen for Miss Callahan.
And are you Ms. Callahan?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense has filed a motion requesting that a bond be set. Has she not had a bond?
She had a bond set. She bonded out. She missed court, I believe 2 months ago. I had come to court to notify the court it was for a medical reason, but the court wanted Miss Callahan to come in. Well, unfortunately, she picked up other cases I'm sure the state will talk to you about. But in addition, we did provide medical support. She also gave me the magistrate page.
I don't need.
Okay, which shows that she continued to have that spider bite when she was picked up for the the case, for the new case, sorry, Judge. And so we're asking the court to consider a bond on her case.
All right. And what amount are you requesting?
Like 10,000.
No, I mean-
I'm sorry, yeah, I was,
Oh.
okay, we'd ask for a $10,000 bond, Your Honor.
All right, and state?
Your Honor, we're asking for 30,000. When the defendant picked up the offense that she has pending in his court right now, she was on bond for another case.
Yes.
And then after that, as he just mentioned, she picked up another case after failing to appear in court. So we're asking for 30,000.
All right, and the court will note for the record that there was a violation report. The court gave her a chance to submit to the court any medical information or to appear. She did not show. And then I believe she actually showed on October 9th, and she was on bond on October 9th.
That's correct.
And then the bondsman, I believe the bondsman asked to be off the bond, or either, I believe it's because she had picked up new cases. And what were the new cases?
She has a new possession, 1 to 4 grams, Your Honor. That case is still pending indictment. Obviously, we're waiting for the lab results. That offense date is September 3rd. I do have a copy of the offense report if the court would like to see it.
I'm not on that case, but if the court wants to consider it, I don't have an objection to the court considering that.
All right. If I can see the police report, please.
I've marked it as State's Exhibit A.
All right, any objection to State's Exhibit A for purposes of this hearing only? All right, then State's Exhibit A is admitted for purposes of this hearing. All right, Ms. Callahan, could you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Absolutely.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Veronica and Callahan.
All right, in the past, have you ever had any drug issues or
Yes, ma'am.
received treatment?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and what have you received treatment for in the past?
For, I used intravenous drugs.
All right, and have you ever had any type of mental health diagnosis?
It's been years ago, yes, ma'am.
And what were you diagnosed with?
Manic, depression.
And I'm asking you these questions so I can figure out what type of conditions to place for you on your bond.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, any further argument from either side?
No, Your Honor. Just to point out, she does have Mr. Daniel Martinez is here in her support. He's been contacting me. So I just wanted to point out she does have a support system.
All
My
right.
fiance, and he's at the Oxford House. He's got 2.5 years sobriety. And
So how long have you known him?
we've been together since 2018.
All right, so here's what I know. Sometimes when people are in their sobriety, and it seems that he's in his sobriety by being at Oxford House, you need to make sure that you're in sobriety.
Yes, ma'am.
And you cannot lean on someone who's new to sobriety to help you with your sobriety. Because if you were to use, that may take them down a path that they should not be on.
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is what the court will do. The court will set your bond at $12,000. The court is going to order outpatient treatment. Court will waive the fees. Counsel, you may want to see if you're able to get her into lifetime recovery.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I have Destiny. They're waiting for me at the Oxford House, just if that's feasible for you.
I mean, yes. I mean, you need treatment.
Yes,
They'll
ma'am.
provide it. There's going to be 30 sober meetings
Yes, ma'am.
in 30 days. And I'm going to ask for a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. They'll
Thank
give you a
you.
reset form.
Okay.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
You're
ma'am.
welcome. Daryl Masters. Hello, Mr. Masters. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 0502 State versus Daniel Masters. Could I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Andrew Frederick, Mr. Masters.
Are you Mr. Masters?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir, I did.
Are you the same Daniel Masters who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 0502 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on April 13th,
Yes, sir.
2022 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 2 on or about the 23rd day of May 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Daniel Masters, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 6th day of June 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Daniel Masters, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Daniel Masters, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July and August 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that?
State will waive the remaining.
Any objection? I'm sorry, any
No
objection?
objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to 2, 2, and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir, I do.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 2, 2, and 4?
Yes.
The court will find 2, 2, and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion to revoke probation and sentence to 5 years in prison.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am, with times,
Yeah, and she is gonna give you credit for the time that you've served, Judge. What he's asking is, will he be giving credit for the time that he was at IS?
Legally, legally, I must give you credit for any time served. Now, if you want credit for time in ISF, it would have to be successful completion. And probation will let me know if it was completed successfully or not. All right. So are you asking me to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what happened? Why were you not successful?
I had major surgery, and then I had to be homeless for a while, and also it was a shaky situation with staying on my mental health medication. So just honestly, that's what happened.
Okay. And I see previously there was a mild evaluation. Probation, was he ever sent to safety or no?
To ISF.
Mm-hmm.
I said ISF successfully. Give me 1 second about, let me look at the file for state.
And if you could confirm, he was actually in Esperanza Court for a period of time, Judge.
Oh, well, he doesn't get credit for Esperanza Court.
So Judge, I do not see that he was actually, sent to state.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant the motion, revoke, find you guilty. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served in ISF for successful completion. I'm going to ask for the therapeutic community, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors upon release. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, we can go off the record. So let me explain to you. The reason why I did what I did is because you have completed some things since you're on probation. I know there's issues with you regarding mental health. There's issues with you regarding drugs, and based upon your acceptance into Esperanza Court, I know there are a whole host of issues that we're not equipped to handle. But here's the thing. When you're released from custody, if you go back to the things that got you in Esperanza Court, if you go back to using drugs, if you don't take care of your mental health issues, only one or two things going to end up happening. Either you're going to end up going to prison, or either you're going to end up connecting with someone who means you harm and they're going to do you harm, or either the last time you use may be the last time you use. You understand? All right. When you're released, if you need a place to stay, of course, not with me, but I will look for you for sober living. Sometimes when you tell people, hey, if you need a place to stay, I'll help you. No, I don't want anyone knocking on my door.
I apologize.
I'm not trying to be a part of the Lifetime movie. And Deputy Lawyer, you know what the title would be? Due to Kindness or something like that. I'm going to think of a name for that. And you'll say, there's no way she did that. Then the screen will go black and you'll have the Stephanie Boyd law. So we don't want a law named after me for that. Oh, I like that, because she helped. The Stephanie Boyd story. So when you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober living place and I'm here, you just come back here and I will make sure we pick up the phone and find a place for you. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Good luck for you.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.